I just did
Me
this
too.
part just
Me too.
a few minutes ago.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got my very first fortune box. Never opened them up before. I'm here with my friend Gerri. Her name's Rebecca.
Hello.
Hey. And let's look inside and see what it is. It's a different surprise every month. Made for teachers by teachers.
Oh, and the theme is Adventures in Teaching.
Ooh. It goes with this little list, so you know exactly.
Yeah, they always come with a list. Yeah, nice. And I always read the list after because I just want to get to the stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then they always wrap it really nicely. That's really cool. Yeah. And that little fortune cookie, his name is Snap.
Snap. Oh, that's cute. That's perfect.
Isn't that cute? Yeah, his name is Snap. I always try to like be really nice with the wrapping, but nah. Okay. So what do we got?
I got like a banner first. Oh, you got
that one? Well, my banner unfolds, so I decided.
So I got one of these.
Yeah, we got one of these. That sounds good. I like dark.
Gluten-free bar. Gluten-free. Nice.
And also 12 grams of protein, so that's good.
Ooh,
There's always something like sometimes it's tea or like a snack mix or something like that.
Nice.
Okay, what else? What's next?
I got this thing. What's this?
Yeah. I don't know. We're going to find out.
Like a magnifying glass thing? Okay, it opens up.
It says...
No, that's an on-off switch.
Collapsible lantern.
Ooh. Okay. Oh, does it
twist?
How do you
open
Oh, no.
What did you do?
Oh, with batteries. I'm twisting
you just
it. Oh, it's got batteries. Okay, so take some batteries.
Okay, so
it's like double A.
A little lantern, because this helps if you if you don't have power, and then you need a light.
Okay. Oh, there we go. You turn on the red thing, and then it opens up, and then it looks like it's got the light on this side.
You pull on the red thing. How did you do that?
You untwist. So it's got these little collapsing thingies
I
here.
didn't get mine.
And you just kind of put it close and pull it open.
Mine's not working right now, but that's okay. I just keep unscrewing the.
Yeah. So you gotta screw the red thing. Screw the red thing.
Well, yeah. Gotta screw the red. Mine's not budging at all.
Okay.
And I'll have to mess with it because every time I go to twist it, it's just taking the top off of it where you put the battery.
Gotcha.
I'm trying to move it.
Batteries with me. Did not know I'd need it, but I want to give it a try.
Go ahead and try it in. Oh, okay. It's starting to. Oh man, this is really hard. Luckily, my wrist is starting.
Batteries.
2,
3.
Well, I didn't get a lantern.
You got a box.
I got a plastic box that doesn't open. No, seriously, it's not opening.
Huh. Okay.
Yeah, I'll have to see if somebody else can do it.
Okay, so let's see. Here's
Luckily, my wrist.
There we go.
I don't.
Hey, look, there you go.
Yeah, that's really cute. Mine won't budge.
Oh, it's got.
I have.
Oh, it's got a high, a low, and then a flashing. You know, this can come in handy if I ever lose power. I can just pop this up next to my desk and have just like a little bit of light.
That's what I was saying. Yeah, if you lose power. I was saying that just a minute ago. But I have other lanterns next to my desk for that very reason.
Yeah, we're sitting right there.
Seriously, after getting a cortisone shot, I'm not going to be able to mess with it too much more.
Yeah. So the red line's here. If you open this side, it's the battery. This side is the lantern.
I see this little mark right here. Yeah. But I can't move it.
It's a little bit tricky.
See how I have it right there.
There we go. Yeah, it's gonna have to just close. Yep. But that's cool. That's cool.
It's not doing it yet, but maybe.
You'll figure it out. You'll figure it out. What's next?
Anyway, I don't know. This little box.
Little box.
Little box.
Yes. Ooh, box. We got a cutlery set.
Portable. I know it looks really cute.
It's got chopsticks. Cute. Okay.
Oh, very cute. Oh, and they put their own. They personalized it. Always ready for an adventure.
Yes,
I think they did.
Always ready for adventure.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, isn't that adorable? This is really, really cute. So it comes with the bottom for the. This is really sweet.
So it got spoon, fork, and then connectors. Oh, it looks like the black connectors go to the spoon and the fork.
Well, no, they don't. Actually, I just figured it out.
Oh,
I tried.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, they're actually part of the chopstick.
Chopsticks? Oh.
Yeah. So here's one.
Oh, yeah, I can see the chopstick end to it.
Yeah, and then here is the spoon. These are really cool.
There you go,
awesome.
Chopstick.
Yeah.
Okay, so the blue can go, the blue is the handle for everything. And you can choose whatever top you want. You can the chopsticks, the fork, or the spoon. That's cool. And it's so compact really cool. And probably easy to clean.
I know. I love it. This is great. Very sweet. Now I just need to get that lantern to work.
Hold my hand. It's nice.
I know. These are really cute. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Okay, hold on. Yeesh. Okay. I guess I'll deal with that later. Okay. You always get a
fortune cookie
with it. Yeah, we can look at them at the end, though.
Okay.
Well, we have to look at them at the end. But they always get a. Yours is a light blue and mine's a dark blue.
Oh yeah. A little bit different. We'll come back to that one.
Yeah. Okay, so shirt.
Black is nice.
Education,
life's greatest adventure. And it is true. It is a great adventure.
I like it. Well, a lot of us were asking for black shirts, including me.
Yeah, so, black is nice.
I like black shirts. See, wearing a black shirt. But I wasn't wearing a black shirt today. I was wearing orange today, but I decided to change. Yeah. This is a new shirt. I bought this for my birthday.
Oh, I like that. Oh,
I actually asked her to make that. Yeah, I asked her to make it.
There you go. I'm just wearing my VIP kid sweatshirt.
I know. It's too warm for me today. We're still kind of warm. So this is really nice. I like it.
Yeah, right now it's like the 30s for me, so I need a little chilly jacket.
Yeah, you need something more. And for me, we haven't gone down yet. Okay, this?
Yeah, what's that? Are these
socks? I think I know what they are, yeah.
They look almost like gray wall socks.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Which is really funny. Oh, they are. These are awesome. Here we go.
There you go. My daughters are not getting these. That's cool. Oh, they like go together.
Yeah, they do go together.
Connect.
Oh, wait.
This way. There we go. This way. Ha ha. Okay, well, cool.
Very cool.
To the left.
I know. That's really great. Those are fun.
Those are fun.
Luke's going to love those. He's going to think those are hilarious.
Just steal them.
Okay. And then we got lining the bottom of this.
Yes. Can I fold it on like this?
Oh.
The map. I think
it's going to be a USA map with love from the United States.
Yes.
Yay. And this is a really nice one, too. I like the orange, the 2 tones orange or the 4 tones orange.
And it says here that's either US or Canada map. So I guess if you live in Canada, you get the Canadian map.
Yes. That's
cool.
probably pretty cool that they did that. Yeah. Now.
Oh, look, Alabama has the good fortune. Is that where they're from? Alabama? Got the
yes, that's where they're from.
That's cool.
Yep, they are. I know. I've offered to come down there and help them do boxes one time, but
that'd be cool.
I don't think they need me now.
Hang this up somewhere. It's a nice size, great for traveling. I can easily put it behind me.
It is really nice.
Yeah, not
right.
too big.
Yeah, you probably don't need too much. Actually, and 2 little push pins wouldn't leave much of anything.
Yes, so grommets.
So I'm going to show you this one from another month. We have the Chinese one that came teaching across China, just for fun, just for reference. So this one, this is this one's about the provinces and autonomous regions. I haven't found a good spot to hang mine yet, but I like it, and I can always hold it up as a prop.
Yeah, that's true. You hold it up and you can say, this is where I'm from.
Yeah, yeah. So, or use this one as a prop if I need to. So yeah. So I just keep it kind of nearby, but it's really good. Very fun. This is nice.
Yeah.
I just need to get my lantern to open.
Yeah. Let's open our fortune and see what's in it. Well, we not open it. Maybe just slide it out.
I just slide let's see. There we go.
Okay.
All right. You read yours first.
Okay. Mine says, the summit is what drives us, but the climb itself is what matters.
And I got the same one.
Oh, cool.
But I don't think they're all the same. Yeah, there we go. Very
if they're all the same or if they're different. So let us know.
I think they might be different. Yeah. I'm wondering. I'm thinking they might be different. Maybe they choose a couple of them.
Yeah.
Very good.
I
like it. Fun stuff. The other thing is you always get like a little something else. So the featured teacher this month is Michelle. And Michelle's Classroom, which is it's at the bottom. It's a shop on Etsy. She actually lives in Italy, it says, but she creates digital content. Yep. And so she's giving a 25% off for orders from her shop right now for people that have the box. And you put in Good Fortune 25 through the end of November. And then they had that little contest the other day, and I actually ended up being one of the winners, which is completely crazy.
That's so cool.
I never win anything. I know. So, I have to check it out. I haven't actually checked it out yet, but I won like a digital toolkit.
Ooh.
I know. I don't know.
Yeah, let me know what it's like.
I know. So yeah, they have a lot of fun things in there. A lot of fun.
Yes.
It's different every time.
A fun box.
It is fun.
And I used your codes to get it, so I saved a little bit of money on it. So if you guys will use her code, just type in GERRI, and you can get $5 off.
Yay! Yeah. And let's see, you get $5 off, and then I think I do too. The person does too. Yeah. Cool. It's a fun box, and it's different every month. They do a different theme every month. Mm-hmm. They always put in like something that's kind of like a personal care item. So, well, this month it's probably the little tools here, and the socks. The socks.
And maybe they always put something food in there, little treat.
And they always put a little something food. Sometimes it's tea, or like a little snack. And then they always put in, of course, something related to the teaching itself, like a tool that you can use for teaching. So that'll be the map. This time. Yeah.
And sometimes they have T-shirts. I like the ones that have T-shirts.
I think they're pretty much doing T-shirts in every box now.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
There's only been one that I know of that didn't have a T-shirt, and I ended up not getting that box because I was moving at that time. And it had a big, like a big water cup,
a tumbler?
a tumbler, like a plastic or silicone or something. Tumbler, yeah. Cool. Which looked really cool. It was a rainbow box. I didn't get the rainbow box.
Yeah. It's kind of cool. As I was looking, and you could buy past boxes. So if you find like a YouTube video of like, oh, I want that box, you can buy that box, or you can buy pieces from the boxes until they run out.
Right.
So I want this T-shirt, or I want this, or I want that. You can look to see if they have that available.
I've thought about getting the Year of the Rat shirt, but this year has just been so, I don't know, kind of frustrating.
I know. Maybe you don't want to remember 2020. I'm not sure that I want
that shirt. Originally, I really wanted that shirt, and it's a really beautiful shirt the way they designed it. But now I'm not so sure that I want that shirt. I got my Rat Dino. I'm not sure I want to push it to the shirt. So
we'll see what they do for next year. I think it's Year of the Snake next year.
Ooh, yeah. They'll probably do a shirt. They'll probably do a shirt for that. Yeah. I mean, we can only go up from here.
Right?
Pretty much, right?
Please.
So, but I think they're doing a shirt now every box. So I didn't get that first box, but I've had, and I didn't get that rainbow box, which I think was the third box. But I've been getting all the other ones. I got the panda one. That was fun. Panda flowers, or like floral. Rise and Shine, kind of like a morning box. And what else came after that one? Oh, the tropical box. Yeah, tropical box. And then what was last month was like fall and autumn, kind of like a harvest box.
Hey, I had the moon cake in there last time, like squishy.
And yes, love this.
Never go bad.
No, and I love this, and I felt so bad because I have Asian markets where I live now. I have like a few, but I'm farther away from like the really big ones, which are right in the city. But I thought I'd find what I wanted here. They hardly even know what I was talking about. It's like, what?
Thanks.
Yeah.
That's
so
funny.
Yeah, so I was kind of disappointed because I thought, oh, I finally have a chance to get one, and then I got my box, and I'm like, all right, I'll just take this.
Yeah, I would think at least it won't spoil. Sad thing is you can't taste it.
And I love that it's like pretty realistic. I love that.
It looks realistic. Yeah, it looks real.
I know. It's really funny. I know.
Kids are like that.
Now there's some kind of they usually do like a little Zoom get together thing, like on a little snap. They call it Snapchat.
Oh, cool.
Haha. Snap separate from the word chat, not the app. Snapchat. And I've only made like one of them. I'm usually like teaching or something. I can't make them. But yeah, so
I think this month would be the adventure box or the mountain box.
The adventure box, yes.
Yeah, adventure box.
And this, yeah. And so they give you a few extra details, of course, on here.
Cool.
It's fun. Great Wall of China socks.
Yes.
What's your favorite thing?
I think I like the lantern. And if you can open that, you can do too.
If I could finally get mine open. I can see where I'm supposed to do it, but it won't. It's like mine is stuck. It's like, I think you're supposed to.
To be kind of finicky, to close it and then open it. You can kind of twist to open it, and then it pops open.
I know, but I think there's this button here is supposed to help me twist it, and it's not.
No, the button is the on-off button.
Oh, it is?
So the button doesn't have anything to do with it.
Oh, it's not. It's just the on-off button. Okay.
Yeah, you just twist on the red, like, handle thingies.
I know. You see how mine, I just can't do it yet. I don't know. I have like a...
You can't do it. I'm sure you'll figure it out, and then you let me know.
Yeah, I know. Very good.
There we go. My baby's calling me. So.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
See you later.